Want to erase your browsing history for privacy or just to start fresh? Here's how to clear Safari history on your iPhone quickly and easily. Like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy and cleanup tips. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Once you're in the Safari settings, scroll until you see the option that says Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Clear History and Data again to confirm. This will delete your browsing history, cookies, and any other website data Safari has stored. If you want a more targeted approach, you can also clear specific parts of your history. Just open the Safari app itself, tap the book icon at the bottom, then the clock icon to see your full history. Tap Clear in the bottom right corner and choose a time range like the last hour, today, or all time. To remove only what you need. That's it. Your Safari history is now cleared and your privacy is protected. Like and subscribe for more iPhone cleanup guides and smart settings tips.